How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on this video, I'm going to be going over the never-ending start-stop issue with the 2016 to 2021 Honda Pilots, 2020 to 2021 Ridgelines, and a 19 to 2021 Passports. This only applies to the 9AT. If you don't know if you have a 9AT or not, you simply look at your shifter. If you have buttons, you have the 9AT. If you have a shift knob or shift selector, then you have a 6AT, and this will not apply to you. So first step of the bulletin is just simply perform a PGMFI update. This increases the amount of time that it will actually auto restart. So it'll decrease it by not doing it as often. So if that doesn't fix it, then we step onto bulletin number 23-009. This is not a recall. This is a service bulletin. So if your car is not experiencing this, this doesn't apply to you. You can't just go to the dealer and request it because they have to be able to duplicate it. Anyways, so moving forward, this recall includes, or this bulletin, sorry, excuse me about that, includes replacing the starter, a couple relays, and adjusting your valves. As you see, I have one of the valve covers here off already. I'm not gonna do a DIY video on this because obviously this will be covered by Honda, and the average Joe should not be doing this job. So once again, I will not be doing a DIY, a procedure on this or anything like that. Just a quick update. If you are experiencing this on the years I have mentioned, once again, 19 to 21 Passport, 16 to 21 Pilot, and 20 to 21 Ridgeline 9AT only. If you're experiencing a situation where you're at a stop sign or a stoplight, the car is off, and then you go to take off and the car doesn't restart, then see your dealer and they will update the PGMI system first, the ECU, and if that doesn't repair it, then they'll go ahead and replace the starter once again. Valve adjustment on both banks. I just haven't gotten to the back one yet. And a couple relays as well. They'll check the battery condition, make sure the battery's good, the terminals are good, all the grounds, and stuff like that. After that, you should no longer have any issues. So I know it's frustrating, and people definitely have the right to be frustrated because obviously it could be scary and intimidating if you're at a light and you anticipate for the car to start and it doesn't. Then obviously that's something that's concerning and safety related. So once again, it is a bulletin. It is not a recall, and there's just a warranty extension at this point. So that's it for this video, guys. Like I said, no DIY or step-by-step procedure, as this should be covered by Honda, especially for a little bit of time. And then the average Joe should not be doing this at home because why would you do it when Honda will simply pay for it? In the event that this problem persists, I will do an updated video down the line. But for now, this is the fix. This is my first one, so I'll make a short on it afterwards, make sure everything is good. But for now, this is it for this video. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one.